Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix page isn't available right now on Facebook. Okay, first things first, open your mobile device settings app. This applies to both Android and iOS devices. Scroll down and find apps and notification. Tap to open these settings and navigate to app info. Locate Facebook and access your Facebook storage and network settings. Next is go to Mobile, Data, and Wi-Fi, and turn off the background data option. After disabling background data, go back to the Facebook settings. Select Storage and Cache, and within this menu, choose Clear Data and Clear Cache for the Facebook application. This action essentially clears the app's cache as if you were reinstalling it via the App Store. If the issue persists, make sure your Facebook account is in good standing. Sometimes, user encounter the page isn't available error when they have been blocked by the page admin. Ensure that your account isn't blocked to resolve the Facebook page error. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix page isn't available right now on Facebook. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.